If you are running Google Ads campaign and you have seen a daily spending limit being applied to your Google Ads account, then you have to watch this video. Just to let you know that mostly this limit is being applied to new accounts only, and in a very rare time that an old account can see it. Usually, when you are trying to run your ad after a long period of time, this can happen, or you're trying to change your location, this can also happen. Or but mostly, it happens with the new accounts. Whenever they are trying to run up a campaign, they may see something like this, which you can spot over here, that a daily spending limit has been applied to your account, and a temporary daily spending of limit of $2 has been applied to your account because of unusual or suspicious activity detected from your account. And once you see it, you may be asked to do advertiser verification, plus you may have to do your document submission. After this, usually this being sorted out by 1 to 2 days, but I'm just going to show you as well over here that this, you can see over here like a daily limit has been applied. And once you go to the learn more, and you're going to see over here that the details they are going to tell you, that this is applied to your usual account about the new limit. This is happens when they feel unusual activity happening on the account, and this is all the part of the Google's transparency. And to remove it, you have to do is to advertiser verification. And after advertiser verification, the documents will be reviewed within 7 days, and after this they will verify your identity. And once after you have successfully completed advertiser verification, the daily spending limit may be removed from your account within one business. So you can see over here as well that in the new, you can see over here that the advertiser has now done the verification, and then soon this limit will be removed, and the account can also be suspended during this tenure as well. But in this tenure, you cannot spend more than whatever the daily limit has been assigned. The daily limit may be fluctuated depending upon the niche, target, the billing profile, and other behavior of the account as well. So yeah, I hope this answers your question. So guys, just to let you know that I'm Ali Raza, I'm owner for Google Partner Company, and in case if you need Google Ads audit setup or management services, you can hire me and my team. And if you like this video, make sure to like, share, and definitely subscribe to my channel as well. Take care and bye bye.